Okay, hello everyone. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial here on how to edit your portfolio. So here we are on the main page here, and I'll have you just click My Portfolio. So we'll go through a brief rundown here. This column here, I have coding that hides it in your portfolio. That way you're not left with a bunch of clutter. Your slideshows will be larger. It's all basically focused on you. It steps out of the Addictopic advertising and stuff like that, just to give you, your own personal advertisement page here for yourself. And I'd like to show you basically how you can customize this to your liking. As you can see, everything's basically here for you. Lots and lots of fun stuff. But basically what I'm creating this for is to show you very simply and very quickly. Let's say that you want your slideshow here, your photos, which is automatically created for you once you upload some photography. You can actually put these where you want. So as you see, as you put your mouse over the header of each module, certain ones can't be moved. As you see, there's the sash there, and here you can move this one. So you click and hold on it, and you'll see it separates. You can literally drag it up to put it where you would like. If this would go, there we go. And now we can drag her and put her right there on the top. And that is now where it will always show as soon as people hit your portfolio. Changing your photo, that's pretty straightforward. You can change it right from here. You can add things. For instance, I have here my Flickr stream. What you're going to see when on your portfolio, if you haven't edited this yet, is that box is going to be on this side, and it's going to say text box. You can edit the title and the contents. I have my Flickr stream here. What I did was I went to Flickr and I grabbed their RSS code. It was either RSS or an embed code, but Flickr provided it. Facebook has one, Twitter has one, Instagram I'm pretty sure has one, as well as Pinterest. I'm pretty sure they all have one. Addictopic even has its own RSS feeds. Basically, if you want to edit that, you're going to click edit, and that's going to bring down I was wrong, that's not your text box. This is your text box. Okay. We'll go back up to the other one there. This we'll start again here. This is your text box. After you've clicked edit, it'll say, text box, and here you can edit your title. Now you'll see here you're not seeing much because this is the basic view. What you're going to want to do is after you've got your embed code, you're going to click HTML right here. And that's going to allow you to put in codes. And as you can see, if you read this here, I'm using Snap Widget. You can look that up in Google. They help you to create widgets for your website. Then I have my title here. These are Instagram photos. I've got my height and width designated. There's no border. The width and the height, and the source. The source is what Snap Widget is going to give you. This whole thing, actually. And it's being put into an iframe. These iframes, it's complicated HTML language, but basically it's giving you could imagine it like a picture frame, and the contents inside, which is whatever you've chosen to embed, is the picture, which is going inside the picture frame. And the frame allows you basically to hang it on the wall or put it on your website. So that's a basically, quick description. So after you've added that stuff in, you just click save, and it will come up. As you can see, I have my Instagram slideshow showing, and that's what I was able to embed from the codes that Instagram gave me. Now, I'll go back up to here since I started explaining it. This is the RSS stream. Now, what I did is I went to Flickr, and I logged into my account, and I opened up the RSS, and I copied the link to the RSS. I then came to my portfolio, and this box will originally say plus RSS on the title. So then when you click that, you're going to be shown these options. So you're going to title it, call it whatever you want. The URL, that's your RSS link that you've copied, and then you paste it into here. So the end of the link, let me just scroll down here, you'll see it's quite a long link, and you see here RSS. So that's what it's reading. It's reading the RSS stream from Flickr and displaying it here. Now you choose your display. You can choose details, which will show you the pictures, or titles, which will only show you this title. You can also choose how many items it's going to show, and simply click save. And there you have it. Now you have your Flickr stream set up as well, or whatever RSS you choose to read. It could be from a blog, like you have a blogging website somewhere else. Maybe you have a store somewhere else, and that store provides an RSS feed for your store products. I know Zazzle has that option. They have a embeddable slideshow, which you could use again in this location here. Now these text boxes, just to go back to this real quick, it's not limited to just one thing. So underneath of this code, if you were to put another one, so I'll just, give you an example here. I'll put this in twice. So now you can see you can continuously add things to this, and it will continuously show them. So you could have, say, Instagram, Pinterest, Tumblr, Twitter. If you have the code savvy to do so, you can totally do that on your portfolio. The options are there for you. Alright, so I think I'll leave it at that. That's a basic, quick customization. Outside of that, of course, you've got, I guess I'll quickly go through settings here. If you click settings up there, that's your portfolio settings. You'll be brought to this page. This is where, when you first signed up for Addictopic, you were asked a bunch of questions. This is where they are found. You can go through and edit your questions and, change them up. You can change your privacy. So you can see, you have the ability to say who can see my portfolio, who can comment, who can see my blogs. Basically, you can be a hidden member on Addictopic should you choose, and only link to those who you want to link to see your portfolio. These are completely up to you, and as you can see here, you can even regulate comments. If somebody comments on your portfolio, you can approve it or you can deny it. It's really up to you. Comments to your blogs and comments to your photos, you can also control who does that and whether there's approval or not. Continuing on, your email. This is going to let Addictopic know what emails you want to receive. Now, this little section here, email frequency, if you set this to daily, you will get one email every day containing a list of all the stuff that has happened on your content or on your portfolio. Instantly, we'll send you an email one at a time as things happen. Some people prefer instantly because if you get a comment on your picture, it'll email you right away and you can come log on right away and respond. Some people like daily because they don't like their email being flooded with many messages. However, you're only going to get one notification every day to whether things have happened on your content. So it really is a personal matter of preference. So again, explore these options. Very diverse. If you click on My Portfolio, you are now brought to your settings for your photo. You can reset the location, so all those things I've shown you in this video where you can drag and drop the modules, text boxes, stuff like that, you can click reset and your portfolio will go right back to the original that it was when you signed up before you added or changed anything. And the apps that you have added, obviously you can go here and you can remove ones you don't want anymore, etc. Connections, this is where you're going to go in order to connect all of your other external social networks. So you're going to basically connect whatever it is that you have here, and what that means is every time that you post on Addictapic, it goes to these as well. So it's a real good way for unified networking. As for yeah, well, that sums it up there. That's the settings. So I'll end this video now so that you're not watching an hour-long movie, and I shall create some more later with some more tutorials. But for now, enjoy, and good luck.